Hey beautiful people, welcome to Vibes Lifestyle. I just got my Kurosawa shipment and I'm unboxing it right now. Let's see what we have. So this is what we are looking at today. Okay. Bottle number 1. I have my beautiful favorite feather knife. It's what I open my packages and do other things with, but right now we're just opening packages. So this is Junmai Kimoto Kurosawa Sake. 15% alcohol, 300 milliliters. Beautiful, beautiful bottle. Obviously, I love it. It's so Vibes Lifestyle. Beautiful. Let's see what else we have next. You've probably seen this. You may even recognize it before I open it. If you've had dinner at a Japanese restaurant or just maybe been browsing the grocery aisle, you'll notice there is a variety of sake available. Nigori, which is cold sake. Now, I can't say that I enjoy hot sake. Not my thing. A lot of people do love it. And one might think, since I love hot tea, that I'd like hot sake, but I prefer my sake cold. Wonderful color. Beautiful. And our final bottle, unveiled. I can see how pretty the label is from here. I just have a thing for packaging. I know that it doesn't last forever, but it's art. And art isn't always permanent. That's why there are monks that create impermanent art out of sand and then proceed to destroy it once it's finished. So this one is Kurosawa Jinrei, 16% alcohol volume, 300 milliliters. Mild floral aroma and soft yet savory flavor with a clean finish to enhance your meal. Serve chilled in a wine glass for the best drinking experience. See? And this one is the Nigori Sake, 8% alcohol, 300 milliliters. Now this I can already tell will probably be my favorite one. Although you're talking floral notes, you're talking my language here. I'll have to try them and see, do a tasting once I've chilled them. So this one says that you need to shake well before serving. Of course, you can see that it's a little milky. This sake's fruity nose and creamy umami flavor make it an excellent complement to either spicy foods or desserts. Serve cold or chilled. So those are our bottles, and it looks like we have a few additional gifts in here. How exciting, because this is it. All right, let's pop these babies open. I love surprise gifts. Who doesn't love surprises? And actually, I didn't really know what was going to arrive. They surprised me with these as well. So, thank you, thank you, thank you. I hope everyone is enjoying their day and being productive. or not productive, whatever serves you best in this moment. So that's what it's all about, right? All right, so here's the cute little cup. And I would go as far as to say that maybe this is the same. Yeah. Awesome. So we have something to sip out of later and try these out. Stay tuned for the tasting. Thanks for joining us. Stay inspired, connect, create, inspire, live the dream. Vibes Lifestyle.